Hello everybody, it's Joel Marshall here for LearnMyComputer.com, and today we're going to learn about the recycle bin and how to delete items on your computer. So I've got my three trusty folders here out in the middle of the screen, and this one called LMC we created last time. There's nothing in it at this moment. Joel's folder is here also. Double click on that and I can see some items in there. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to delete the LMC folder, and then we're going to delete something in Joel's folder, a file in Joel's folder, and we're going to show you how to empty the recycle bin after that. So let's get right to it. So here's the folder LMC. Let's say I want to get rid of it. I want to delete it. The easiest way is to just drag it to the recycle bin. Make sure your cursor is over the recycle bin and let go. And you see the recycle bin icon changed to look like it's a recycle bin with something in it, which it is. So when I double click on the recycle bin, I can see now the LMC folder is in the recycle bin. It's a two-step process to delete something, though, just to prevent you from accidentally deleting something that you don't want to delete. So what happens is it goes into the recycle bin and can sit there for an indefinite amount of time. In fact, many of you may notice that your recycle bin is already full, already has stuff in it, and you just haven't emptied it yet. It's just like your trash at home. When you throw garbage in there, it's not until you put it outside on the curb for the garbage man to come and collect it is it really gone. You could still go back out there and rummage around in your garbage can and find it until you've given it off to the garbage man. So emptying the recycle bin is like giving it to the garbage man and getting rid of it completely. So I'm going to double click again. LMC is in there. Now I want to delete just a file, and I'm going to double click on Joel's folder here. And I'm going to do this one LMC other letter that we created last time. And this time, rather than just dragging it to the recycle bin, which I could do, I could drag that file to the recycle bin, I'm going to right click and choose delete. So again, this is what I want you to get used to doing, is using the contextual menu. There are a lot of people out there that don't use this a lot, and they could save themselves a lot of time. So I'm going to left click on delete. It says, are you sure you want to move this to the recycle bin? Well, yes, I do. I'm going to click on yes, and you see it's gone now. And if I double click on the recycle bin, there it is in there. So there's one more step to deleting something from my computer. I've closed those two windows, and I've gone over to the recycle bin here, and that is to empty the recycle bin. And like I said before, this is the equivalent of giving it off to the garbage man, saying goodbye to it forever. And I'm going to right click on the recycle bin, and you see I have the choice empty recycle bin. So I can do that and just click on it. So I haven't clicked on it yet. So I'm going to right click, choose empty recycle bin. It's going to give me this message that says, are you sure you want to permanently delete these two items? Well, yes, I do. So I'm going to click on yes, and there's a little sound, and you see now the recycle bin is empty. It's got that empty recycle bin icon. When I double click on it, my files and folders that I put in there are gone. So that's it, really. That's how to delete items on your computer. You want to make sure that you only delete your user-created items. You don't want to delete your important files that make the operating system run. But we'll talk more about that later. Until next week, this is Joel Marshall at LearnMyComputer.com. You can email me at joel@learnmycomputer.com. And I will see you next week.